Hello students, our next topic is current to voltage converter. Just previous to this we have seen voltage to current. Now this is reverse of that, current to voltage converter by using an op amp. This is your circuit diagram. So this op amp is being used in inverting mode, means the input is applied to inverting terminal. So this is very simple inverting amplifier circuit. If you just concentrate on this circuit, this is your basic inverting amplifier where the non-inverting terminal is grounded and inverting feedback is provided with a resistor RF in between, then input resistance R1, this is your output, this is your load resistance, right? So this is your basic inverting amplifier which can also be used to convert current into voltage. Okay. So for this, let us consider the ideal voltage gain equation of an inverting amplifier. You know this, right? Output voltage is given by minus of RF by R1, right? Minus of RF by R1 into Vin. This is your gain, where gain is output by input. So output voltage by input voltage, if I write, I can write minus RF by R1. You know already this, right? You have this. Now the output voltage V0 can be once again rewritten like this. Same equation, same rewritten here. Okay. So Vin is taken here, Vin by R1 into RF is as it is. Now just see here, just because of rearranging this equation, I got V in by R1. What is V in by R1? V in by R1. What is this? Just see your circuit diagram. Where is V in? V in is the voltage applied, because of which IN is the current flowing, right? IN is the current flowing through R1, right? The voltage across R1 and divided by R1 is nothing but your IN. So Vin by R1 is nothing but IN. Alright. This is very important. Understood? Hence we can write V0 equal to, what is this now? Minus I in into RF into RF. This is what we require. This is our important equation. What it tells, just see, the output voltage is directly proportional to your input current. Input current. Now you can obtain this equation by having a current source in your circuit. You require to use a current source here. You require to use a current source such a way that V in by R1 is the value. V in by R1 is the value. Okay. This means that if we replace our V in by R1, if we replace this term by a current source of value I in, the output voltage becomes proportional to yes, input current. So this is how the current is being converted into voltage. Current is being converted into voltage. Alright. So one of the most common uses of this current to voltage converter is that this is being used in some sensing for detectors. Sensing of detectors, and also being used in some digital to analog converters. Alright. So the concept is very simple. We will be using a inverting amplifier, and this is what you already know, right? Okay. This will end here. Thank you.